Think upgrading your PC fans won't make much difference? Think again. Today, we're counting down the top 10 PC case fans that deliver better cooling, lower temperatures, and quieter performance for your gaming rig. Starting off the list is the ASUS ROG Strix XF120 Whisper, a premium 120 mm PWM fan built for users who demand high performance without sacrificing acoustic comfort. Right away, what makes the XF120 stand out is its magnetic levitation bearing design, which contributes to incredibly smooth operation, outstanding longevity, and impressively low noise levels. With PWM control reaching up to 1800 RPM, anti-vibration construction, and a rated lifespan of up to 400,000 hours, this fan is clearly engineered for long-term reliability. In real-world gaming rigs, workstation builds, and radiator applications, the XF120 consistently delivers strong airflow and static pressure while remaining quieter than many competing fans operating at similar speeds. Compared to popular alternatives like the Noctua NFA 12x25 PWM, the ASUS offers competitive cooling performance while maintaining a more modern gaming-oriented appearance. While Noctua may still hold a slight advantage in absolute acoustic efficiency, the XF120 balances performance, aesthetics, and reliability exceptionally well. If you're looking for a premium fan that prioritizes cooling efficiency and whisper quiet operation, the ASUS ROG Strix XF120 immediately sets a high benchmark for everything else on this list. Next up is the EZDIY-FAB BF12 360 MINASME all-in-one ARGB PWM case fan. And this is where things start getting interesting. Unlike traditional fan kits that require separate installation and multiple cables, the BF12 combines three 120 MINASME fans into a single frame assembly. This one-cable integrated design dramatically simplifies installation and cable management, creating a cleaner build with less clutter. The thicker 28 mm frame improves static pressure, PWM control allows speeds up to 1800 RPM, ARB synchronization adds visual appeal, and airflow ratings of roughly 77 CFM make it highly effective for both radiators and case airflow. Compared directly to the ASUS XF120, the BF12 sacrifices some of the premium acoustic refinement but offers significantly greater convenience and a much cleaner installation experience. Compared with premium modular systems like the Lian Li Unifan SL-INF 120, the BF12 delivers a similar cable management advantage at a more accessible price point. If your priorities include aesthetics, simplicity, and reducing cable clutter while maintaining strong cooling performance, the BF12 becomes a very compelling alternative. What do you think? Would you choose a traditional fan setup or a single frame design like this? Let me know below. Moving on, we have the MONTECH E28 ARGB 120 IMEME Fan 3-pack, one of the strongest performance-focused options in this comparison. Featuring an extra thick 28 IMEME frame, PWM control up to 2000 RPM, fluid dynamic bearings, and integrated ARG lighting, the E28 is designed to maximize airflow and static pressure without pushing noise levels too high. That thicker frame provides a noticeable advantage in radiator applications and restricted airflow environments where additional pressure can significantly improve cooling efficiency. In real-world use, the E28 consistently delivers excellent thermal performance while maintaining smooth and reliable operation. Compared directly to the EZDIY-FAB BF12, the MONTECH focuses more heavily on raw cooling performance rather than installation simplicity. Compared to the ASUS XF120, the E28 offers stronger airflow potential and erg lighting, while the ASUS counters with quieter operation and longer-term reliability. Against premium competitors like the Lian Li Unifan P28, the MONTECH delivers remarkably similar benefits at a significantly lower price. For gamers and enthusiasts who want a strong balance between cooling performance, lighting, and value, the E28 easily earns its place among the strongest contenders in this lineup. Next in the list is the DARKROCK F120 3-in-1 Infinite Mirror Design Case Fan Kit, a product that immediately grabs attention thanks to its striking visual presentation. Equipped with 24 ARGB LEDs per fan, an eye-catching infinity mirror design, WM speed control, and hydraulic HDB bearings. The F120 focuses on delivering both style and dependable cooling. In showcase builds featuring tempered glass panels, these fans can dramatically enhance the overall appearance of a system. Performance-wise, the F120 provides solid airflow and low noise levels, making it well-suited for gaming and productivity systems. However, compared to the MONTECH E28, the DARKROCK leans more toward aesthetics and balanced cooling rather than maximum radiator performance. Compared to the EZDIY-FAB BF12, it offers greater flexibility since each fan can be positioned individually. Against premium RGB competitors such as the Lian Li Unifan SL INF 120, the DARKROCK offers a similar infinity mirror effect at a far more affordable price. If your goal is creating a visually stunning RGB setup without spending premium money, the F120 becomes one of the most attractive options on the list. Next up is the NZXT F360 RGB Core, a premium single-frame cooling solution that combines 3 RGB fans into one unified assembly. Much like the EZDIY-FAB BF12, the NZXT F360 focuses on reducing cable clutter and simplifying installation, but it does so with NZXT's premium design language and engineering. Featuring fluid dynamic bearings, optimized airflow and static pressure characteristics, PWM control, and 8 addressable RGB LEDs per fan, the F360 delivers strong cooling performance while maintaining low noise levels. In real-world gaming systems and radiator applications, it performs exceptionally well, providing efficient airflow and a clean, modern appearance that many builders will appreciate. Compared directly to the BF12, the NZXT offers higher overall build quality and a more refined finish, though usually at a higher cost. Compared to the MONTECH E28, the F360 prioritizes ease of installation and cleaner aesthetics over maximum airflow-focused performance. Compared to the DARKROCK F120, it provides a more modern and streamlined design while sacrificing some of the dramatic erg effects. The result is a cooling solution that strikes an excellent balance between performance, aesthetics, and convenience, making it one of the most well-rounded products in this comparison. Next up is the Silverstone Air Penetrator 184i Pro, and this fan immediately stands apart from most traditional cooling solutions. Unlike standard 120 mm or 140 mm fans, the AP184i Pro uses a massive 180 mm design combined with Silverstone's signature air penetrator grille and SharkForce technology. The result is highly focused airflow that reaches critical components more effectively than many conventional fan designs. Because of its larger diameter, the fan can move a tremendous amount of air while spinning at lower speeds, helping maintain excellent cooling performance without generating excessive noise. In real-world gaming systems and workstation builds, the AP184i Pro excels at improving overall case airflow and reducing temperatures across multiple components simultaneously. Compared with alternatives like the Noctua NF-A20 PWM, the Silverstone places a stronger emphasis on directed airflow and case-wide cooling performance, while the Noctua often offers broader compatibility and slightly more refined acoustics. Compared with the smaller 120 mm fans on this list, the air penetrator delivers significantly more airflow volume, although its larger size limits compatibility to cases designed for oversized fan mounts. For enthusiasts building in compatible chassis, this fan offers a unique combination of quiet operation and powerful cooling that is difficult to match. Moving on, we have the Phanteks PH F120T3_BG_3P, better known as the legendary Phanteks T30. If raw cooling performance is your priority, this fan immediately becomes one of the strongest contenders in the entire comparison. Featuring an extra thick 30mm frame, liquid crystal polymer construction, magnetic levitation dual VAPO bearings, multiple performance profiles, and an advanced blade design, the T30 has earned a reputation as one of the highest performing 120mm fans ever created. In real-world use, it consistently dominates radiator, heatsink, and case airflow testing, delivering exceptional static pressure and airflow while maintaining impressive acoustic performance. Compared directly to the Silverstone air penetrator, the T30 sacrifices sheer airflow volume but gains far greater compatibility and radiator performance. Compared to premium competitors such as the Noctua NFA 12x25 PWM, the T30 often delivers higher peak airflow and static pressure thanks to its thicker frame design. While Noctua may still maintain a slight advantage in ultra-refined acoustics, the T30 is widely considered one of the absolute kings of cooling performance. If you're an overclocker, content creator, enthusiast, or gamer looking for flagship-level thermal performance, the Phanteks T30 sets an incredibly high bar. What do you think so far? Would you rather have maximum cooling performance or near-silent operation? Let me know in the comments. Next in the lineup is the CoolerMaster MF120 Lite 3-pack, a fan package designed for builders who want dependable cooling, attractive erg lighting, and strong value. Equipped with PWM speed control up to 1750 RPM, air balance blade technology, durable PBT construction, and vibrant ARG lighting, the MF120 Lite aims to provide balanced performance across a wide range of applications. Whether you're using them as case fans or radiator fans, they deliver reliable cooling while maintaining relatively quiet operation under typical workloads. Compared with the Phanteks T30, the CoolerMaster obviously focuses more on affordability and RGB aesthetics than absolute performance. Compared with the Silverstone air penetrator, it offers much broader compatibility and greater installation flexibility. Against competitors like the Deepcool FC120, the MF120 Lite remains highly competitive thanks to its balance of cooling performance, lighting, and ease of installation. For budget-conscious gamers and builders who want attractive RGB fans without spending premium money, the MF120 Lite offers excellent value and remains one of the most approachable options in this comparison. Next up is the AsiaHorse Cosmic 120mm Reverse Fan, a product built specifically for modern showcase systems where aesthetics matter just as much as performance. Featuring an infinity mirror RGB lighting system, reverse blade airflow design, fluid dynamic bearings, plume control up to 2000 RPM, and daisy chain connectivity, the Cosmic is designed to look incredible while maintaining strong airflow performance. One of its biggest advantages is the reverse blade configuration, which allows builders to preserve clean RGB visuals while maintaining proper airflow direction. This makes it especially attractive for panoramic and dual-chamber cases where fan orientation often affects appearance. In real-world use, the Cosmic delivers dependable cooling performance while creating visual effects that rival significantly more expensive alternatives. Compared directly to the CoolerMaster MF120 Lite, the AsiaHorse offers a more premium visual experience and cleaner cable management. Compared with premium options like the Lian Li Unifan SL in F Reverse Blade 120, the Cosmic provides a very similar visual concept at a much more accessible price point. While the Lian Li may still offer better software integration and slightly more refined construction, the Cosmic delivers outstanding value for RGB-focused builders who want their system to stand out. Finally, we arrive at the bequiet PureWings 3 120mm PWM, a fan that takes a very different approach from many of the RGB-heavy options we've discussed so far. Instead of focusing on flashy lighting effects, the PureWings 3 concentrates on delivering efficient cooling with exceptionally low noise levels. Featuring redesigned blade geometry, strong static pressure performance, plume control, high top-end speeds, low minimum RPM operation, and a durable rifle bearing design, this fan is engineered for quiet, dependable operation. In real-world gaming systems, workstation PCs, and silent builds, the PureWings 3 consistently delivers impressive cooling performance while remaining remarkably quiet during everyday workloads. Compared with the AsiaHorse Cosmic, it sacrifices visual flair but offers a cleaner, more professional appearance and stronger acoustic refinement. Compared with the CoolerMaster MF120 Lite, it focuses more heavily on cooling efficiency and noise reduction rather than erg lighting. Against competitors such as the Arctic P12 PWM PS, the PureWings 3 often provides a more premium feel and quieter operation, although the Arctic may retain a slight edge in value. For users who care more about performance and acoustics than lighting effects, the PureWings 3 remains one of the strongest all-around cooling fans available today. Those were our picks for the top 10 PC case fans that actually improve cooling. Let us know your favorite in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more PC hardware and cooling content.